be like that.
दिखता है कि वॉच मिस्टर राइट गो टोटली रॉन्ग.
Yeah.
इसका क्या मतलब हुआ?
ये यार पिक्चर देखनी पड़ेगी आपको भाई.
किस तरह का?
See, it's about that's because you know how the film goes is
Speak in Hindi, I'll speak in English.
okay. We can both speak in English.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
English?
So, what was I saying? Yeah. So it's because it starts off as the right kind of a story, but how everything goes wrong, you know? And that's why this story is about the Mr. Right, but that's everything that happens in the film is not, you know, right.
शहनाज आप क्या बताएंगे कुछ डिटेल में फिल्म के बारे में किस तरह की फिल्म होगी?
Okay, film romantic comedy है और क्या
Yeah,
हुआ?
you talking Hindi.
अच्छा, alright. Really? फिल्म में मेरा कैरेक्टर का नाम आलिया है and I'm a casting director and everything is perfect in my life. अच्छा सब कुछ perfect है मेरी जिंदगी में. Stop it. And I'm looking for but the only problem is I don't have my Mr. Right. Mr. Right it doesn't exist क्योंकि मैं बहुत picky हूँ. मैं बहुत चूजी हूँ. मैं बोलती हूँ कि हाँ उनका बाल अच्छा नहीं है, उसका दांत अच्छा नहीं है,
मेरे दांत अच्छे हैं, shut up.
सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर अच्छा नहीं है. वो बहुत बात करता है चिक चिक. So I have many you know
Parameters.
yeah exactly. But and then I meet Suki, Barun's character, and I'm stuck with him. And he's not Mr. Right, but I have to make him Mr. Right, and that's what the film is about.
So how was the first experience working?
But the first day I met him, we just read something together, and the first day of the shoot, his character is like this Punjabi munda, like very loud, and he doesn't know how to dress, and he छोटे छोटे कपड़े पहन के आता है, tight कपड़े पहन के आता है, and उनका बाल ऐसा है, and I'm grooming him. So that was the first day. It was quite fun because I got to be very bossy. You know, like don't do this. It was very hot because we didn't have AC studios. So it was really, really hot and we were sweating but I had to train him. It was fun. I had a big whip and I was like whipping him into shape.
आपका कोई खास एक्सपीरियंस जो शेयर करना चाहेंगे किस तरह पे while working on the film?
It's been a nice experience here. It was a young cast, so there बहुत ज़्यादा hassles नहीं थे. And the crew was young.
Crew बहुत young.
Yeah, so it was a nice experience.
Okay, we have heard that you're a fan of Salman Khan in the film.
Right.
तो ये जो किस्सा था ये is it inspired from real life or it just in the film?
Yeah, I think this also goes to say कि हर film में there's a Mr. Salman Khan's fan. So that goes to say कि it's a current day thing. Everyone is his fan, you know. So that's why I think the writers and directors write them like that.
Okay, फिल्म का म्यूजिक जो है वो पॉपुलर हो रहा है स्पेशली बफी लहरी का जो तो what was the first reaction when all of you
I heard it's number 9 on
On what?
iTunes or something. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
That's really
Our music is doing well.
Okay, that's good then. Good for us. What was the first reaction? Was कि मेरा एक दोस्त है एक्चुअली वो हमेशा वो गाना गाता रहता है, वो सबसे पहले तो उसकी याद आई थी. And the reaction was that they're doing fine, you know. These guys took the audio visual rights and the music rights.
आपका फोन ऑफ कर दो ना.
So it was nice. Like we're headed in the right direction.
Shehnaz, you have been away from filmmaking films. So can we say this is a comeback film for you?
Well, I haven't done a film
Let him
since
say that.
Delhi Belly in India, but I've been living abroad and I've been working there on TV shows over there. I guess, yeah, this is my next film after Delhi Belly because I will not do any film that I don't think is good. So I'm very choosy, just like my character, and I really like the script of this, so I did it.
So finally, what you want to say about the film? How you are expecting the audience reaction and everything from the film?
I'm actually curious to see what the reaction is going to be, because it's you know actually I was thinking ours is not a full thrust promotion and we're everywhere and
Yeah.
stuff like that, but the content is really liked by everyone, so I really want to see where it goes.
Yeah.
So who have inspired you in Bollywood, if you ask? Any inspiration?
Not really. I think the bad actor.
So name of your
No, I can't. I'm not going to name anyone. It's just that you see someone on screen and you're like, I can do better. So that's the way I mean.
and any of the specific upcoming projects you guys are doing in the future as well. First,
Right now, it's just this here. I'm doing a comedy show in the US as well. I also did another show called Brown Nation. So I've been living in New York and in Bombay, and over there I'm getting lots of roles as the Indian girl, as a token
Yeah.
Indian girl.
Yeah, that's what the perception is. If you're not seen on people's television, they think
They
you
think,
don't exist.
Yeah, they think I
Yeah.
just died. I came back. I came back to life. But I'm happy actually that I haven't done a film since Delhi Belly and then this. Because what if I did 2-3 flop movies after Delhi Belly? That wouldn't be good, right? So yeah.
I have this coming out day after. Then there's a film that I've done with John Abraham Entertainments and UTV. That's called Sapra Ko Shaadi Hai. That's going to be out early next year. And there's a film that I'm working on. It's called 22 Yards, which is based on cricket, which should be out late next year.
So, any final words about the film, if in 1 or 2 lines?
Let them not be final.
Right, exactly. Hopefully you'll ask us about this film a lot, which means it will be a big hit.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you.
Shehnaz, wasn't any special wish not to?
Awesome TV.
Yeah, awesome.
Okay. Which camera? Awesome TV? Stay awesome. Done? हम लोग ने बहुत No, they're not.
Internet and everything.
अच्छा. Okay.